Hello, my name's Jenny Stevenson. I'm the Senior Recruiter here at Make UK. We deal with a number of vacancies every year within engineering, and it's always absolutely delightful to get to receive applications from women, because a lot of people don't realise the breadth of different roles you get within engineering. Just because you don't want to have dirty fingernails and crawl underneath machines doesn't necessarily mean that you can't be an engineer. You can be based in a lab, you can be based at a computer, or if you did want to kind of, take things apart and put them back together, then there is that career path. The one thing I wanted to say was engineering is for everybody. It's not just for men. It's a great career path for anybody who wants to be part of the manufacturing life cycle.